5-point Phoenix lead, 49-44, and legends in the house. Of course, you got the GOAT banner. You got 3 WNBA titles, and yes, legendary performers. The GOAT down at Taurasi, Sue Bird, and all-world soccer performer Megan Rapinoe. There's about, 16 gold medals, 43 WNBA, 7
World championships.
WNBA championships, World Cup. That is some great stuff there. And, of course, young Mr. Leo on Dee's lap.
Hey, Skylar, do you know any of these people?
There's some goats in the house tonight.
Diana, Megan Rapinoe, Sue Bird.
Shout out Diana.
And Leo.
Leo.
Look how big Leo is. My goodness.